Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today before you, it is my price and joy. It is my 2008 XJ Super V8. This car is currently on Cars and Bids online at no reserve. As you can see, the car is in pristine conditions. The paint is absolutely immaculate. The car demands and commands such a presence whenever you see it. This car is a 2008. It's a Super V8. According to the statistics, there was only 140 made for the US. Now I know how many are left, but as you can see, this one is in pristine conditions. The car that you see in front of you has been ceramic coated. It comes with 22-inch Lexani rims. The rims are in very well condition. They have plenty of tire tread. The two rear tires have been changed. They're brand new tires that have been installed. The brakes are in very good standing. You still have about, I would say, 80% tread on the brakes. We're gonna give you a walk around and then we're gonna show you the inside. The condition on the inside, it's absolutely pristine. Everything is extremely mint on the inside. The existing leather has been treated with ceramic coating and protector. Let me get the keys. The car currently has 72,000 miles. It starts right away. It has navigation, as you can see, audio. Usually keep it on nav. Absolutely gorgeous wood grain. Wood grain on the steering wheel. The headliner has been redone. It's brand new. On the back, you have the executive seats. You could also raise and lower the courtesy privacy screens. Car is in immaculate conditions. Let me give you a look on the back seats. As we move on to the back seat, you will also see you have hand privacy curtains. They all work. Once again, immaculate wood grain in the back. In the back, as you can see here, we have the executive seats. We have the food trays that pull out. We have the TVs that work. As you can see, they're on. Currently, unfortunately, we don't have no more DVDs now in age. But if you were, you could definitely watch DVDs here in the back if I had any. Here you will see the command center to not only control the back screen headrest DVDs, but you will also be able to control the radio from here. You have some cup holders in the back. Also, we have AC that you can control to the back. You have your plugs in the back. Just to let you know that the TVs are working, we go here, we select video, and they will, sorry about that, there you go, now they're on, there we go, let's see, loading. It's obviously no disc that is loading. Same thing with the right one. We're gonna go ahead and click it. TV is on. There's no DVD, so therefore we won't be able to see no DVDs out of it. We also, for this car, currently have the Jaguar headphones, which I will show you in a second. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the back. And on the back area, we have the gorgeous tail lights. And then also, the trunk is in immaculate condition. The carpet is very well maintained. Also, we have the original spare tire. I just installed a brand new battery as of yesterday. So we have brand new battery on it. Over here, we have the DVD for the movie selection. We have for the nav also. We have the original Jaguar headphones that came with the car for the back. There's 2 sets of those. The trunk is soft closing. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2008 Jaguar XJ Super V8. Only 140 were shipped out here to the US. This one is in pristine condition. If there was a time capsule and you could go back to 2008 and you were to pay $120,000, this is what the Jaguar would look like. The car will be currently, and is currently, on Cars and Bids at no reserve. So, one more thing that I wanted to show you. The rims are in excellent condition, and we're going to show you the engine. Pop the hood, and this is where Jaguar makes its outstanding performance. From the Supercharged V8 in the engine bay. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is my video for my 2008 Jaguar Super V8 Supercharged. Wanted to make sure to give you a full walk around so you could actually get a feel for the car and get to appreciate the pristine conditions that it's currently on. Thanks for watching.